to forms here. So again, for the first here there is no class for the form, but if you say for the form, if you say class is equal to inline form, it makes the form to be inline. You can see it here, it has completely made it inline, and the rest are the same, like whatever the form group and form controller, I mean the classes are the same. And this is the horizontal form again. So if you want to make it horizontal, you can use class equal to form horizontal. Okay. So like such, I can see for checkboxes the class is checkbox. Again, it's like it's just not predefined classes, but all the classes are named very contextual. Like you guys understand the class pretty easily. If he uses a different name for this class, like say checkbox, you would have been confused. But these guys made it sure that they use proper names for the classes so that we can understand. Blindly tomorrow if we go somewhere and if you want to style some checkbox, you need not go back and see what class they have used for checkbox. You can directly remember, like, okay, hey, if I have to use checkbox, I can go with class equal to checkbox. Okay. And for radio button, class equal to radio button. And checkbox is inline. You see here, inline, you guys know, right? Inline is like in the same line. So checkbox inline. That's how they use the checkboxes, inline checkboxes. And also there is styling for select boxes, like select class equal to form control. You can see this is a select button, and this is multiple select button. If you guys can remember, see multiple select button. Okay. And static control is like, say here this particular label. I mean it's not taking the form input, it's just taking what do you say, just a static over there. You see, when you need to place plain text next to a form label within a horizontal form, use the form control static class on P. Okay, so if you want to just use static elements, and you can see the focus elements too, like there is something dynamic, like you focus here, it changes its state, it has turned to blue color. You can do that too. And disabled inputs, disabled features, and validation states too, like this we'll see in the coming classes when we talk about jQuery. I'll talk about validation. Okay, until then we won't be. And you can put icons also inside your input texts, like you can see the class, but we won't be using this. Okay, just for the sake I'm saying, we can use that too if you want to use. Okay. So that's an overview of CSS components of Tutor Bootstrap, and there is one more in the CSS too. It's called components. So these components will talk about. You can see here input group. We have just seen some input. Now input group is something like this. Like you want to group an icon with the input box. Like you can see here, input group is I'm grouping this 0.00 with the form element. So that's where I use input group. So you just need don't have to remember everything over here. Whenever you need something, you go to the website and check whatever you want. Like you want an input group, okay, do I have to use a form element with with a $sign next to it? Then yeah, you just explore the website and see where they are using it. So yeah, they are using it here. Just copy it and paste it and see how it works. So that's how you gotta check things. Alright, any question until now? So I feel like I'm going pretty fast in here, but I'm just reading out something, so that's the reason I'm going it out fast. So you can stop me anytime if you have any question regarding that. And again, I'm saying it again, you need not worry about remembering everything. You don't have to remember every class over there. All you gotta do is like have an idea. Okay, Twitter Bootstrap, there is a Twitter Bootstrap, it has predefined classes, there are so many stylings in there. So whenever you need some styling, okay, you can go to the website and just check there. Okay, what this guy has, CSS, what he has input groups and stuff. So just copy it and see how it works. If it works good, then yeah, use it. Okay.